Can you paint vinyl windows? I would advise against it because you're eliminating the primary advantage of vinyl, is that it doesn't need to be painted. But if they're looking ratty, they can be cleaned and that refreshes them and they look a lot newer. Or it's just a design thing. You want to change the color. It's a design aesthetic driven thing, so you can. What you need to do first is clean the window properly. This is a heavily oxidized window. You can see the chalkiness come right off, so you want to clean that with a little bleach and TSP solution. And then if it still feels very smooth and glossy, I like to take just some 220 or 280 grit sandpaper and just lightly sand it. You don't want to burr it up at all. Just give it a little once over, just to give it a little tooth to help that paint stick. And as far as the paint goes, you want to use a 100% acrylic latex paint right to the vinyl. No primers necessary. They make vinyl paints, specialty paints for vinyl now. That's, I think, more of a marketing thing than anything else, because they're 100% acrylic latex paints. So just make sure you have that covered and you should be all set. These double hung sash units don't react well to keeping the paint on the vinyl if you operate them up and down, because the operational tracks rub on the face of the sash. But awning style windows or casement windows, those actually are good candidates for being painted if they're vinyl clad. Number one rule is paint it a lighter color than the color it is pre-paint, its existing color. Make sure it's a lighter color, or at least the same color. The reason why you don't paint vinyl a darker color than it already is that it will absorb more heat from the sun and could cause it to warp.